Hello everybody, this is Persian with Mahtab. I'm Mahtab Saleh. Today I want to teach you G sound. G is brother for K. In the previous video I taught you K sound and this is G. As I told you in the K sound, there is two ways for writing G. One which is written in the printed books or newspapers and media, and one when we are writing by hand. Let me show you how to write G. G غیر آخر, G آخر. G is written in the middle or at the beginning of a word, but this G is always at the end of the word. Let me show you how to write and where to bring this G. We start up to bottom, come and underline and then return back, and these two sounds G غیر آخر and again G آخر. G غیر آخر, G آخر. This G is at the beginning like گوش, the word گوش, body part, گوش, ear. And in the word, for instance, گربه, گربه is cat. You see here at the beginning of the word, but G can come in the middle also. In the word انگشت, انگشت is finger. You see G in the middle position. And G آخر, G آخر can take the hand of the previous sound. For instance, this G آخر took the hand of sin. Sin. We have sag, dog. And here we have two G, G غیر آخر, G in the initial position and the final position, which is alone and didn't take the hand of other sound. گرگ, گوش, گربه, انگشت, سگ, and گرگ is wolf in Persian. Let's go to our table of friendship to see how to combine G sound with our vowels and make words. Let me draw the table. Now, this is our table of friendship. As you know, in table of friendship, we write the vowel above and consonant here at the right. We combine our consonants with vowels and make words. G is a consonant. We write here G غیر آخر, G آخر. G the initial and middle and G آخر. If we make friendship between G and A, then we have ga, ga. Ga. Look at here. First we write this, then we go up and write A, then the lines for ga. Ga in Persian, we have the word gav. Gav. That you haven't learned this yet, but I write the whole word for you. Gav is cow. Gav. G and A. We have ga. Ga. Ga in Persian, we have the word garm. Garm. Garm in Persian is warm. Warm. مثلا هوا گرمه. It's hot. The weather is hot. هوا گرمه. آب گرم means not boiling but a warm water. گرم G and U, you see, G and U. Let me write that you can see better. G U مثل گوش. G U مثل گوش. گوش. G U ش. And ش آخر. G and O we have go. Go like گربه. گربه is cat. گربه. Let me write it here. We write the whole form, return back and write the line for G O مثل like گربه and گرگ. You can see, write the whole form. گرگ. گرگ and G and A and G. G and G and G and E, two G's, G, G, G and G. Now let's go to your homework. Your homework will be first G غیر آخر, G آخر, one line. One line گربه. گربه. One line finger انگشت. Look at me the way I write. First اول, then write the tooth for G, go up, return on the line, write sh and 1 2 teeth for T. Then return back and put the dots and line for G. انگشت. سگ. سگ. And گوش. First write this, then U, then 2 lines for G and ش آخر. Write beautifully, carefully, read aloud with yourself, return back and watch the previous videos, and subscribe for more videos and share this video to the people who want to learn Persian. Good luck and see you in the next video.